You might have heard stories or seen videos of betta fish and goldfish living together and acting like the best of friends. But there are a lot of reasons why these two fish cannot live in the same tank. Both species can be aggressive at times and it's likely they will nip at each other's fins. Eventually, the goldfish will grow significantly larger than the betta and get the upper hand. In addition to their incompatible temperaments, they are basically complete opposites when it comes to everything else. Bettas like warm water, goldfish like cold. Bettas are clean, goldfish are messy. Bettas like calm water, goldfish require a powerful filter. Bettas like 5 to 10 gallon tanks with a large surface area and goldfish require at least 20 to 30 gallons. Now in this video I will talk about 4 points why bettas and goldfish should not be kept together. Number 1. Aggression. Bettas are known to be aggressive while goldfish are similar in size and actually grow to be much bigger than bettas, so they are likely to stay away. Goldfish on the other hand like to nip at fins, which would agitate the betta who also likes to nip. It's just not a good combination. Number 2. Cleanliness and filtration. As far as cleanliness goes, these two fish couldn't be more different. Bettas are generally clean and don't respond well to dirty water with high ammonia levels. On the other hand, goldfish produce a lot of waste which can quickly cause ammonia levels to rise. Goldfish require frequent water changes and a pretty powerful filter to keep the ammonia levels down. Frequent water changes are actually very stressful to a betta and they prefer a gentle filter to one with high output. Number 3. Water temperature. One of the major difference between these two fish is bettas are tropical. They need water that's between 78 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Goldfish prefer colder water no warmer than 75 degrees Fahrenheit and even like seasonal variations that dip to the 60s in the water. A goldfish would not survive in the warm temperatures that a betta needs and vice versa. If a goldfish is kept in water that is too warm, it will become stressed and more prone to parasites, illness and other conditions. One of the most common is swim bladder disease when they actually swim upside down, which leads to exhaustion and other health issues. Bettas kept in water that is too cold also become stressed and prone to parasites and illness. Their activity also slows down significantly and they will be more and more likely to just sit around the tank instead of their useful flurry of activity. Number 4. Habitat. Even though they are sold in tiny plastic containers in pet stores, bettas should actually be kept in 5 to 10 gallon tanks with a large surface area. They actually gulp air from the surface from time to time. As for goldfish, it's a common misconception that they can live in a small bowl. Goldfish actually require a lot of room, ideally 20 gallons for just one goldfish. They are meant to grow pretty big. Some can reach a foot long and need a lot of room to reach their full potential. It's not easy to find a tank made for a betta, and truth to be told, they are often best left alone. That said, there are some other species that are a good fit with a goldfish. By finding the best tank mates, everyone will be happy. This is all for this video. If you want to know more about guppy, betta, goldfish keeping, find the playlist links in the description. Also, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification to get this type of fish keeping advice every day. Happy fish keeping!